guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Today we're making a little red truck Christmas wreath, and most everything is from Dollar General or Dollar Tree. That cute little red truck ornament came from Dollar General and it was $2. So you're going to need one truck ornament. You're going to need some snowflakes, and those came from Dollar Tree. You'll need a 14-inch wreath form from Dollar Tree and some ribbon, and my ribbon came from Dollar General. So you're going to want to take your red burlap ribbon and carefully hot glue it onto your wreath form. Be very careful. And you will need 2 rolls of the burlap ribbon from Dollar General for this wreath. And you're just going to, once it has had time to dry, you're just going to carefully wrap your ribbon around your wreath form. Try not to overlap too much, but do overlap a little bit, and try to pull it nice and tight and get it smooth. So just overlap just a little bit and try to keep it from twisting. Try to keep it as straight as possible and as tight as possible, and just continue all the way around your wreath until it's nice and complete. It comes really close with just 1 roll of ribbon, but you do have to open up the second roll to complete your wreath. So just same steps, and just try to get it as tight as possible and just overlap just a little bit. Okay, and this is how it looks once it's finished. And this ribbon is $2 for a roll at Dollar General. And this is how much I had left of the second roll, so quite a bit. Okay, and then we're taking the cute little red truck ribbon and we're going to tie a bow. And you'll just want to make a loop and keep it pinched tightly in your hand. Make sure you let out a tail first. Then you're going to make your second loop. Try to make your loops about the same size on each side. And if you have a design, sometimes you have to twist. But I'm just doing 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right. And you'll want to have some floral stem wire close by. And I'm sorry if you hear something, it's my little chihuahua. He's right here with me. And I usually cut my tails at a slant. And then you'll want to take your 20 gauge floral stem wire, or whatever gauge stem wire you like to use, wrap it around the center of your bow tightly and leave the wires long. Then you're going to take the wires and you're going to carefully thread them through your burlap. And it's a little bit difficult sometimes to get it to go through, so just make sure when you're trying to push your wires through that you're not going in a section where you hot glued your ribbon on. So just take your wires, carefully push them through the burlap, and go to the back of the wreath, give your wires a few twists, and trim off the extra wire. Okay guys, and then just fluff the loops of your bow and trim your ends of your tails. And then this is how the cute little red truck looks with the lights on. So make sure you thread a wire through the little loop that it has, and that way you can just wire it on your wreath so that you can flip it up and down so that you can turn the lights on and off. So you don't want to hot glue this I almost said fire truck, little red truck to the wreath. So just take your floral stem wire, thread it through the burlap, and then go to the back and give it a few twists. And then I'm adding some of the Dollar Tree snowflakes, and I believe they come in a pack of 6. And I'm just carefully hot gluing the snowflakes on. And you can get a larger size snowflakes, I believe, at Dollar Tree also. So just be real careful when you're using your hot glue gun. And so just let your snowflakes dry. And then I also added one above my bow and below the bow, and I just let it dry. And that's it, guys. Very simple, very inexpensive. And I will add a materials list for you in the description box below. And I would like to ask you a question. So in the comment section, let me know your favorite Christmas song. So what's your favorite song that you always love to hear at Christmas time?